In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an FTP account in Hostinger in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to manage your website files with ease or hoping to streamline your operations, setting up an FTP account can really simplify your workflow. Let's dive into this process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the login button, usually positioned in the top right corner of the page. Click on it. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials to access your Hostinger dashboard. If you're already logged in, this step will automatically redirect you to the main page of your hosting account. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger homepage. From here, you'll need to proceed by clicking on the Manage button next to the domain for which you want to create an FTP account. This action will open up the management options for your selected website. It's a good idea to double check here that you've selected the correct domain, especially if you manage multiple websites, to avoid mixing up files later on. Next, locate the Files section within your site management options. Clicking here will lead you to a variety of file management tools and options. Once you see it, look for the sub-option labelled FTP Accounts. As you click this, you'll be taken to a new page entirely dedicated to managing and creating FTP accounts. It's a useful feature, especially if you're planning to grant file access to other users or service providers. On the FTP accounts page, locate and click the Create button. You might find it on the top corner or center of the screen, depending on any updates in Hostinger's interface. Here you'll be prompted to enter specific details to set up your new FTP account. Typically, you'll need to pick a username and a secure password. When choosing a password, make sure it is strong enough to protect your files. Perhaps incorporate a mix of uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols to make it harder to guess. After you've filled in the necessary information, look for an option to finalize the process, something like Create or Save. Once clicked, your new FTP account will be ready for use. With your account now set up, you can use an FTP client like FileZilla to connect, allowing you to upload, download, or even edit your site files with greater ease and control. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully created a new FTP account in Hostinger. This should make managing your files much simpler and more efficient. Feel free to revisit any of these steps if needed and enjoy the conveniences of an organized file management system. Thanks for tuning in today, and good luck with your website endeavors.